Here's the importance of having your boiler service. So this is the central heating filter which protects the boiler and the rest of the system. This boiler's been serviced every single year since it's been installed, and as you can see, it's just collected a little bit of magnetite, or in other words sludge. So the idea of the filter is to obviously collect it because it's magnetic, and this will just protect the whole system. Give it a quick clean out. But as you can imagine, over years, if you're not having the boiler serviced, that's going to accumulate. It's going to block up your pipes more and start to degrade your boiler and heating system.